Okay, I'm about to make the shotgun guide right now. Okay, this is the shotgun guide.
All right,
Post wash arc. Okay, like I'm washed during this period.
You know, as an April Fool's joke, you should have made the shot. You should have like uploaded a video called the definitive shotgun guide.
Oh, Christ, jam bastard.
That's a shotgun guide right there. Right, and then after you're done using your teammates as boomer bios, right? You're just gonna walk past all the commons, because you know your teammates are boomer bios, and then you're gonna miss that comment right in front of your face. Realize the hunter was in the back and not the front the whole time, right? And then after your teammate just shit stock enemy team, you're gonna take fall damage, mandatory by the way. And you're gonna miss the skeet 3 times. It's not gonna matter. It's gonna matter because somehow you're taking spit damage. And then once you're done, all right, Ram's just trolling. Now after 15 seconds, the enemies are gonna hit, and then you're just gonna you're just gonna skeet the hunter, and then dodge the charger, and then kill the boomer. God damn. If you're good at the game, alright? And then after that, that's basically the whole guide right there. Just kill everything, right? But like, in case you're like not skilled enough, right? You just pull out the melee weapon, and you just go crazy. And that's it for my 5-minute guide. Even I can't pass melee. Wait.
Damn it, I'm covered in goo!
Nicholas. And then you push tank, right? And this might be a push tank. And you hit another skeet because you're just fucking cracked at the game sometimes. And your teammate's dead.
Pass me your pills.
Yo, sit here, here.
No,
I'll
sit and go forward. It's funny.
Charge. Smoke. Pills. Thank you, Poppy. And that's the shotgun, guys, you know? That's the shotgun right there. You just gotta kill everything. Like, once you hear a special effective spawn, you just gotta stop looking at everything else.
Remember, use your teammates as bios.
Yep, so you can clear everything faster. And hope your teammate has a bio. I mean, melee. Yo, we gotta start giving William the melee weapon. Round fact, skinless, skeeted 300s, thank you.
That was mine.
W angle, 1, 2, 3. Watching her get lanked.
Bro, wasn't gonna be banned all the time, bro.
Top 5 worst hits I've ever seen.
4-day ban.
Boomer should be going. Yo, this is the Rochelle's getting her lick back. Yo, that's funny. They're like an ex-center mod, right? And he said that one of the previous modders, moderators, power tripped so hard that they got banned from mod abuse in reports.
I don't know anybody that's part of the mod.
Grabbing the driver.
I only know one person, which is High Five, only because he openly speaks about modding and about being a moderator.
Reloading. Incoming!
I missed the spawn. I missed the rocket. I missed the rocket, but whatever.
Good hit.
Yo, I flicked so hard. I've never flicked so hard in my life. I want to see if I could do this ledge thing again also. Yo, head glitch, smoke. You don't even, what do you even spit on at this point? Dreams?